I don't know what's going on here. My baby hair is completely out of control. That's so annoying. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another vlog. I'm going to be getting my hair done again by my friend Coco, Mr. Coco DeVille. This hair is honestly like just pissing me off. I hate having so much baby hair. I get it from my mum, and like when you look at my mum's hair and my hair, we have exactly the same like hairline. Like hers is the same. So my camera actually just cut out and ran out of battery, so I can't really remember what I was saying. I think I was talking about my hairline, but anyway, I am going to Coco's to get my hair done today. We're going to tone it and everything. It's been a few weeks. It's faded a little bit because I did have, you know, so much brown underneath my like blonde at the moment. I will charge my camera once I get to Korhan's salon, so hopefully like the camera footage looks better then, because I never record off my iPhone. This probably looks like a potato. I've got no idea. I see people record off their iPhones all the time and it looks like amazing, but for me I reckon it's just gonna look like shit. I've got no idea. I'm just rambling now, but anyway, I'll see you guys really soon. Okay, this is a look. I'm here at Coco's.
Hey!
Hello!
Welcome back!
And Shantae over here.
Hello!
So this is what I look like at the moment. I've got foils all through my hair. Coco's doing extensions down there as well.
I'm on my knees for her.
As usual.
The only girl I'd get on my knees for.
Yeah, the only one. But yeah, we're doing the extensions now, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what happens.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly
Dancing in the circle.
Hey!
Hey, kick the leg.
make a sound. I love the pain.
So these are the coloured extensions. So we've added a little bit of a root just to disguise the weft, and then she's got very, very subtle lowlights put through them. Nothing stripy, just to blend through her hair so it doesn't look too solid on the ends with blonde. And now what we're doing, we're just glossing her hair out. A little bit more ashy.
Do I look like
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I feel very clean.
She clean.
Clean and fresh.
This is her third bleach, so you'd better hope so. Let me show you guys a sneak peek. Who loves the Greek music in the background?
Yeah, I know. Hopefully I don't get copyright for Greek music.
And we are finished. Third application of lightning.
This is all without hair extensions.
Yes. Let us know what you guys think. That blend.
So fresh.
Pop your head down. So beautiful.
I didn't actually really tell them what I was doing, I don't think. I just said I was coming here. So these are the hair extensions here. We're going to put them in now. Blend it all together.
That's right.
Put it in your hair. Get a ponytail.
Oh my gosh.
Remember your hair was that long?
And we are finished with her hair.
Well done.
She's a Victoria's Secret model now.
Oh my god, I wish.
We only did lowlights on the extensions and not her hair. So she's got one look when she doesn't have the extensions in her hair, and then when she does have the extensions, she's got more of a beachy textured look. Just so her hair could be cleaner, because once she's got the lowlights in her hair, it can actually dirty the blonde a little bit. So it's better off that we do it this way, and it actually pops around the face a little bit better.
I'll put a little clip of Korhan's edited version in this video.
Yeah.
So you guys will be able to see like a quick kind of process of it.
Here we go.
Okay, so I am home and it is the next day because I forgot to kind of finish off my vlog from yesterday. I honestly had a really bad headache, so I just went home and chilled out. But this is my hair. I don't think the light is like that accurate in this room because it's pretty dark. It looks light on the camera, but this room is not really well lit from where I'm standing. But I do have my extensions in at the moment. I just felt like wearing extensions because I haven't worn them in such a long time. And now the goal is to just let my hair grow out. So we're gonna let my roots grow out for a good few months, because when they grow out then we'll put like more foils and then we'll just kind of break it up. At this point of time, I love my hair. I love how it looks. Thank you, Korhan, again. You did such an amazing job. I think that's all I've got to say. Hopefully this vlog is like not too short, but I just wanted to like film when I go get my hair done. People really seem to enjoy those videos, even though I don't feel like I filmed too much, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. So yeah, I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.